Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl Hammer, and I want to say compliments of the season to everyone out there, and for everyone that supported me this far throughout this year despite my inconsistency. I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for all your comment, thank you for all your like, thank you for still liking me. I appreciate you. And yes, if you've not joined the Mo Squad, make sure you join the squad, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Today I'm not going to be talking about anything fashion or makeup. I want to talk about what I have planned for 2019, because the beginning of December 2018 has been like a reminisce month for me. I've been thinking, I've been doing so much thinking. It got to a point I was actually very anxious, and I've never felt that way before. So I thought there was something I wasn't doing right, or there were things that I had room for change. I showed this book in my last video, which I've been doing so much writing in. I've been writing down everything I have planned for 2019, and I thought to share with you. I've decided that 2019 will be the year of no spending for me. No spending on things that are irrelevant to me, because I realized looking at my bank accounts from January to December that I actually spent so much on clothing, makeup, things that I didn't really need, things that I have now and I've not even used. I went through my bank statement and I thought it's time to change. I promised myself in the beginning of 2018 that I was going to make little changes, but obviously I didn't. I just went on with 2018 like everything was okay, everything was normal, but I realized that it's time for change. So I've written down everything I've decided to do in 2019 I'd like to change. I have sat down, I've counted my blessing, I've written down things. I appreciate God, I thank God for where I am today, what He has given me so far, but I think it's time for me to change so many things. So on my notes, I have noted down what I'm going to be sharing with you. And like I said earlier on, 2019 is going to be a year of no spending for me, and I'm going to be a vegan in 2019. I've decided to go the vegan way, because recently I realized I've been really eating in an unhealthy way. I've not been exercising, I've just been eating everything that come my way, and I just thought, no, it's time to chuck so many things out of the door and live a healthy lifestyle. And that is why I came to the decision that I'm going to be a vegan, and I'm going to bring you on my journey. I'm going to document everything. I'm going to be showing you what I eat daily, how I keep fit, and all the stuff. And that is on the healthy side. I looked around my room, around my house. I realized that there were so many things we had in the house that weren't really useful, we weren't using. So what I've done is I've, given some things out to charity, things we've not used for a year, things we've not used for 6 months, and things that have been moving with us from house to house. Ever since we've been moving with so many things we've not used for 2 years, 3 years. Gosh, I have to give up so many things. Books, I've decided to do ebook. I have a library card now, so I will be visiting the library more often in 2019. Instead of me spending money on books, I'll be visiting libraries. I'll be talking to friends who read like me to borrow me books, and family to borrow me books. The ones I know that are really essential, I'll be using Kindle or I'll be buying online. And I have a budget for my book for the month. So book is just the list thing on my list. But I will be, because I love reading, I realized that we're spending so much money on clothing, so many that I've not worn, so many that I see have the label on bags, on shoes, and I don't really go out like that. So I'm going to stop buying clothing. I have enough to last me throughout 2019. And that brings me to the second thing I'll be doing in 2019. I'll be going the minimalism way, which is I'm going to be color coding my clothing. I'll be doing more of neutral colors so that I could wear so many things with so many things I already have right now. I'm not going to be going out there to buy. I'm not going to be doing impulse buying anymore. I'm not going to be doing window shopping, because I realize that most times when I do window shopping, I tend to buy. I don't just do window shopping. I will tell myself before leaving the house that I'm going out to do window shopping but I will end up buying. So I want to stop window shopping, no more going online unnecessarily. I've unsubscribed to so many emails that come into my email box. I've deleted so many, I've unsubscribed to so many, and there's some subscription I have on my phone, I've unsubscribed to them. Some are ending in January 2019, so I'm not going to be doing no renewal to those ones. So those are part of what I'm cutting down. I'm not going to be eating out like I used to. I'm still going to be doing it once in a while with my husband, but I have a budget for that for the month, and the budget for it is £20. Once I reach my £20, I'm not eating out anymore. No more coffee when I go out, except if I'm on a business meeting and it's so necessary for me to have coffee. If not, I'm going to be going out most of the time with my smoothie, and that will save me tons of money. I'm going to change, I already mentioned I'm going to change some of what I do on my YouTube channel. I'm still going to do makeup, but it will be like a chit chat, get ready with me makeup, updating you on my lifestyle and what I've done so far. And that is it about my financial part of it. And yeah, I'm going to be updating you anyway on what I do. I'm not going to be spending on clothing, shoes like before, and I have also decided to exercise more. I have a gym membership which I'm going to keep, which is quite reasonable. For now, I'm still going to keep it, but probably after working on myself, I might decide to cancel it and just do my exercise like I used to from home. But I just want to get back into the habits of exercising and eating healthier. Concerning traveling, I intended to travel more in 2019 before I made the decision, but I will still be doing some traveling, but obviously I won't be traveling outside UK like I planned before. I'll be doing within UK with my husband and kids. Like I have 2 planned already, so it might just be 2 for 2019, just to cut down costs and to save more. I want to be able to save up more. I want to reorganize my finances. I want to pay my debt and be debt free by the end of 2019. I want to also invest more in my business, because I have a small business I run from home, and it's not really been doing great because I've not really put in so much effort. So 2019 will be the year I'll put more energy into it. Hopefully with everything I'm set to do in 2019, it will give me more energy, more encouragement to do more. I want to do more with my business. I want to invest the money I save up into my business instead of just spending it on clothing and makeup review and all that stuff. The makeup I have is enough to last me for a year, so I'm not going to go out there to buy any makeup except my foundation when it finishes. I have my primer, I have so many primer, I have so many lipstick, I have so many blushes, I have so many things that will last me for a year. So I'm not going to be spending money on makeup. And the only thing that is top on my list right now is my business and a vlogging camera, which I'm going to be getting as a second-hand one. I'm not going to go to the store to buy a new one. I'm planning to buy a good second-hand one, and I think I'm just going to get that by January, because I want to be able to vlog more. I want to bring you on my journey to healthy living and my vegan life. I want to think about money differently. The way I've seen money before is different from now. My children are growing. My husband is also a business owner, and we're planning so many things ahead for the future. So this is the perfect time for me to think about money differently and to invest more in my business and investment to bring in more money for the family. I'm also planning to join a community that would encourage me in my vegan way and in my minimalism way. So if you have any community that that I can get involved in, don't forget, please leave it in the comment below. I'd love to join a community that can encourage me and impact in my life. And yes, and I think that is all I have for 2019, and that is why I'm not going to be spending money in 2019. I might be doing a little spending, but not as much as impulse, buying, or just going out or buying to make myself happy or to make myself feel great. No, I'm not going to be doing all that. I'm going to buy because I really need that thing. I'm not going to be the girl that goes to the store because there is sales to pick up 2 or 3 things because we have sales, or they have sales on it. I'm going to stick to what we need in the house. If we have tissue in the house, I'm not going to say because tissue is on offer to buy it. I'm not going to do that. So I'm really going to be on top of what I've said to do in 2019, and I'm going to bring it with you. I'm going to bring you with me. So I hope I've been able to encourage someone out there. I know it's not for everyone what I've said so far. It's not for everyone, but if you're a student or someone that is just starting up on fashion or makeup and you're still trying to find yourself or still trying to get the balance between what your style is or what, you know, your makeup style is, do what is best for you. Or if you're the kind of person that is, you know, not into spending so much on clothing or whatever, I would advise you budget will be your friend, so that you won't get to the level that you have to tell yourself, you know what, I need to stop spending. No, when you budget and you have the mindset, your mind, it's very important. The mindset you have is important for you to get that. So I hope I've been able to encourage someone. I've been able to impact into your life. What is your plan for 2019? I want to know. I want to read in the comments. Leave every comment below, and don't forget, if you have any recommendation for any community I can join, please leave in the comment below. I love you. Be true to yourself. Do you? Nobody can love you the way you love yourself. Love yourself more, and I will see you in my next video. And before I go, don't forget to subscribe. If you've watched me to the end, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to get notified, like and share with your friends. I love you, and Happy New Year in advance, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.